parang may lumabas na, alam mo yun, parang may lumabas na pagka, ibang ako. Parang, parang mas masiyahin ka.
Ever you've wondered if you touch my soul, yes you do.
Revelation sa buhay ko. Revelation siya sa career ko. Being blessed in a way yung 2008 ko dahil may isang sarang dumating sa akin, sa career ko or sa buhay ko.
Hello, with one touch I can't let go. Never thought I'd fall in love with you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. Sometimes I get lonely, and all I gotta do is to think of you.
Talk about a very special love.
Doon ako nadali ni Sarah. ng magic niya, ng charm.
Gaano katindi yung pagkadali sa'yo?
Iba siya. Iba talaga. You know, she made me want to sin.
I love you best explains how I feel for you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame.
She's one of your most favorite leading ladies.
It's because of you, the magic in your eyes, true love I can't deny. When you hold me, I just lose control. Yeah. I want you to know that I'm never letting go. You mean so much to me. I want the world to see. It's
Oh, we will always have this
Special.
very special connection.
That's true.
And you know, hindi siya chemistry. It's a gift.
Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. My life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I'll tell the world. I'll tell the world.
Napakaswerte ko na for the past how many years, mula nung MMK episode na yun hanggang ngayon, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na mapalapit sa kanya because, hindi lahat ng tao, especially lalaki, na nasa, na pwede, kasi pwedeng, it could have been anybody
Right.
Di ba? Pero ako yung napili, ako yung napunta doon, and napakaswerte ko dahil hanggang ngayon, kami ganito, may naabot yung sinimulang episode ng Maalaala Mo Kaya. And nakita ko, na-witness ko, as in right before my very eyes, kung ano yung si Sarah Geronimo. Si Sarah is very special sa akin at sa napakaraming tao. And hindi naman kayo mahihirapang isipin kung bakit. Because kitang-kita niyo naman.
If you touch my soul, yes you do. Since I met you, I'm not the same. You bring life to everything I do. Just the way that you say hello. With one touch, I can't let go. Never thought.
Lighter yan eh.
Bakit lighter? Bakit lighter?
Parang she can easily, I mean, effortlessly, she can light up your world. Parang ganun. Walang ka-effort. Dahil lang sa energy na meron.
Joy you bring because of you. I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. Sometimes I get lonely, and all I gotta do is to think of you.
Bakit mo nasabi na pagkasama mo siya, I can be myself?
Inside of me,
Naramdaman ko kasi sa kanya na hindi nagmamatter kung may makita siya sa akin. Ay, ganyan pala siya. Ay, ganyan pala siya. Parang ganun. Parang hindi ko yun naramdaman.
inside and touch me eternally. I love you best explains how I feel for you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you,
At Lloydie, thank you. Ang daming pagpapasalamat. Thank you for accepting the real me. For for being a friend. A good friend.
Thank you. You're welcome. Very welcome. Ako, thank you. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for trusting me, for the trust. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for accepting me as a friend. And thank you for being there. Simply being there. And above all, thank you for coming into my life.
But thank you for giving me another chance to be a friend again. Oh.
I am, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart, I am so proud of all your achievements. Talagang promise ko sa'yo, as you go to the next level, nandito ako. Magmula nang dumating ako, mula very special love, mula nung episode na yun ang maalaala mo, kaya di na ako aalis. Dito lang ako.
Mahal kita. Yun lang. O, naiintindihan.
Pero
I love you na masyado.
because of you.